Have you ever wondered how the land on top of a very high hill is leveled? It's a fascinating process that involves a piece of machinery with a simple name but a complex function, the bulldozer. A bulldozer at its core is a tractor-like machine equipped with a hefty blade at the front. This blade, which comes in various forms like the universal blade, straight blade, angling blade, and bulldozer, is what does the heavy lifting, or rather, the heavy pushing. The bulldozer's job is to dig, push and pull materials such as soil and sand. It's the muscle in any construction or mining project, flexing its power to level the ground and clear land. Its high traction capabilities, thanks to its track shoes, make it perfect for tasks that require strength and stability. Some bulldozers even come with additional attachments at the back, adding to their versatility. They can perform various functions such as digging, pushing, spreading and filling, making them indispensable in the construction and mining industries. But what makes a bulldozer capable of leveling land on high hills? The secret lies in the power of its engine and the design of its blade. The engine provides the raw power to push large amounts of materials, while the blade's design ensures that the materials are spread evenly across the land. The bulldozer's tracks also play a crucial role, providing the grip and stability needed to work on steep slopes. Manufacturers like Komatsu and Caterpillar Inc. are at the forefront of bulldozer technology, producing models that are widely used in various industries. From Komatsu's D155A2 and D375A6R models to Caterpillar's D9R model, these bulldozers are the workhorses of construction and mining projects worldwide. So, to sum things up, the bulldozer, a powerful and versatile piece of machinery, plays a key role in leveling land on high hills. It does this through a combination of raw power, smart design, and high traction capabilities. Its ability to dig, push, pull, spread, and fill materials makes it an indispensable tool in construction and mining projects. And with manufacturers continually innovating and improving their designs, the bulldozer's role in shaping our world is set to continue for many years to come. Who knew that a machine with such a simple name could do so much?